Assalamualaikum dear students. I am Abdurrahman Abbasi, your instructor of organizational behavior. As we know the organizational behavior, we already discussed about the topic, the behavior of the people, the behavior of the human at their workplace, are the behavior of the people at their different organizations, are the officials, the behavior of the officials at their different departments or the organizations. So for this concern, if the employee can be motivated, then he can perform their task, perform their work activities and assignments accordingly. If the person is not motivated, then how he is behaving in the organization. So for this concern, we will try to learn about the Maslow hierarchy of need, how the people they are satisfied and they are behaving in the different organizations, and what are their basic needs, physiological needs and the growth needs. So Abraham Maslow in 1943, he portrayed a 5-stage model regarding the fulfillment of the needs of the person. So now we will try to discuss about the Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of need. So now we will try to learn about the Maslow hierarchy of need. Maslow's hierarchy of need. So this is our study topic. Where we will try to learn about the Maslow hierarchy of need. As we know, the need is basically the perceived deficiency of any person is called need. The perceived deficiency of anything is called basically the need. So need is comprising in two major forms. One is a basic need, one is a growth need in the Maslow hierarchy of need. Basically, in 1943, Maslow initially stated that the individual must satisfy lower level of deficit needs before progressing on to meet higher level growth needs. So Maslow has introduced the 5-stage model, which can be divided into deficiency needs and the growth needs. Deficiency need, or we can say that the basic needs and the growth needs. So in this model, the first 4 levels are often referred to as a deficiency need, and the top level is known as a growth or being needs. So basically Maslow is a practitioner, and the Maslow hierarchy of need is a motivational theory in the field of the psychology. So it comprising a 5-stage model of human needs. It what comprising? It comprising the 5-stage model of a human needs, which is often known as hierarchical levels within a pyramid. So he says that if the lower level need is in this hierarchy must be satisfied before individual can attain to needs higher up. So the people can jump over the need from the lower to the higher. If the lower need is fulfilled, then the people can jump to the higher. If the lower need is not fulfilled, then the people cannot jump to the higher. So we will try to learn about the Maslow's hierarchy of need. Now there is a pyramid there is a pyramid of the Maslow, which is introduced in 1943. So okay, so here in this 5-stage model of the Maslow's hierarchy of need, it started from the physiological need. Physiological need. Okay. So in physiological need, Maslow said that these are the biological requirements. These are basically the biological requirements for human survival. So these are initial requirements, or we can say the basic requirements for the human, and there is a question mark for the human survival. For example, air, food, water, shelter, clothing, warmth, sex, sleep. These are the basic needs, are biological needs. We can say these are the physiological needs where there is a question mark of the survival of the people arise. For example, air, water, shelter, food, clothing, sleep, sex. These type of needs are the basic needs. We can say these are the physiological needs where the people's survival is question marked. So these are the biological requirements for the human survival: air, food, drink, water, clothing, warmth, sex, sleep. These are included in the physiological need where the people can be motivated. So people always trying to fulfill or meet the basic needs. In the basic needs, there is a basic concept of the physiological need. So there is a question mark of the survival. Water is important for the people, air is important for the human, shelter and food is important for the people. These are the basic needs, and sleep is important, whereas warmth, sex is important. So these are the physiological needs where the question mark of the survival of the human exists. So Maslow said that if these needs are not satisfied, the human body cannot function optimally. The human body cannot function properly. So these are the very important and essential needs for functioning of the human body. So the Maslow in 1943 considered physiological needs the most important, as all the other needs become secondary until these needs are met. So he sat down, put the other needs at the secondary type needs, whereas important and primary type needs are the physiological needs. If the physiological needs are not properly met by the people, then there is the question mark of the survival of the people. So at the first instant, people want for their survival, not for any other thing. So the human want for their survival. If their survival is good, then he can jump over to the other need. But if the survival needs are not fulfilled or properly met by the human, then he cannot demand the other type of the need. So once the physiological needs are satisfied by the people can jump to the higher need, that is known as the safety need. That is known as safety need. So this is a human psyche, that if once an individual physiological needs are satisfied, individual is impressed by their physiological needs, he is motivated from their physiological needs, he has air, he has water, he has shelter, food, cloth, sleep, warmth, or so on, these type of things people have already, then he can jump over to the safety needs. Now he needs for the security, protection and safety become the important factor for their needs. If these needs are not fulfilled, if the physiological needs are not fulfilled, it means if a person cannot jump to the safety needs. If the person have not something, there is a question mark of the survival, then how he can jump to the safety or any other type of the need. So if these type of needs are fulfilled, then the motivation of the employee is again increasing for their safety needs, for the other need known as the safety. So need for the security, need for the protection, need for the safety become more and more important, become more and more salient feature in this type of the need. So people want to experience order, expect and control in their lives. These needs can be fulfilled by the family, by the friends, by the society, by the police, school, business, medical care, and so on and so on. So people want their protection in the society. People want themselves security and safety, to hire for their securities, for their safeties. So people want the protection for what? Protection for their properties, protection for their employment, protection for the businesses, protection for the any type of the business which he or she has earned, which he or she has managed in their lives. So when the physiological need is fulfilled, then the people going to the safety needs to fulfill. So now the people want protection, now the people want the safety, now the people want the securities. So these are known as safety needs. These are included. So in this need, the safety, security and protection are the basic, and the protection are the basic components. Security and protection are the basic components for the safety need. So these are basically both needs are known as these both needs. According to the Maslow hierarchy of need, these both needs are known as basic needs. Basic needs. So the Maslow classified the needs, the both needs, in the form of the basic needs. So when these needs are satisfied by the human, first physiological need, then after the safety need, the people want protection and safety and security, and the people has managed their protection, safety and security. Now the people jumping, now the human, they are jumping over the other need, which is known as social need, which is known as social need. So now people want the social, want to satisfy these social needs. So these are basically the belongingness, belongingness and love needs. And love needs intimate in this need, the people intimate the social relationships, intimate the friends, try to make their friends, try to make their good relations with the people, try to make the good relations with their families. So in this social need, people tries to be more belongingness, to be more love needs, and try to capture the social needs. So as per Maslow, after physiological and safety needs have been fulfilled by the person, by the human, the third level of the human need is a social needs, and involves feelings to the belongingness, and involves feeling and emotions to the love, to the affection. The need of the interpersonal relationship motivates behavior. So this need is what? This is basically the need of the interpersonal relationships, to make the more interpersonal relationships as to motivate the behavior of the people. So when the people made the physiological needs, made the safety and protection needs, now the people has utmost need, the dire need, to make the relationship better relationship with the people, to make the good belongingness and love needs arises over here, to need to satisfy the interpersonal relationships, to motivate the interpersonal relationships, or motivate the person from their behaviors. For example, in this need, people, they include their friendships, their intimacy or closeness. The people want to close to each other, to make the better relationships, good relationships to each other, to make to establish their trust and acceptance, receiving and giving affection and love. So in this need, after fulfillment or completion of these two needs, the people want to involve to giving affection and love to each other, affiliating, being part of a group, family, friends, work, or etc. and so and so. Now after fulfillment of these three needs, then the people or the human tries to jump over to other need, which is known as esteem need, So now, as per Maslow hierarchy of need, if the people are satisfied from their physiological needs, the people are satisfied from their safety needs, the people are motivated according to their social needs, according to their belongingness and love affections. Now the need arises, which is the esteem need. So esteem needs means, in this type of the need, now the person is in the state, in the state that want that I must be honored, I must be respected, I must be prestigious. This is my the question mark for the prestigious. This is the question mark for the feelings of the accomplishments. So in this need, the people want their honors, their respect. People want their honor, prestige, respect, dignity, accomplishment. So now there is the question mark of the honor of the people. So people want, I must be honored, I must be respected in this society. So this need arises when these three needs are fulfilled according to the Maslow hierarchy of need. So Maslow is given the name for these two needs, which is known as psychological needs, which is known as psychological needs. So the first two needs are known as basic needs, physiological need and safety need, and the other two needs, social and esteem need, is categorized into psychological needs according to the Maslow hierarchy of needs in the 5-stage model. So in esteem need, Maslow tries to classify into two categories basically. The one is esteem for oneness, dignity, achievement, mastery, independence, and in second phase, the desire for reputation or respect from others, status or prestige. So in esteem, people want for their dignity, people want for their achievement, people want for their independence. So you want to be a good person. He recognized to be a good person, independently a good person from the other peoples. And second phase, they desire their respect, status and prestige. I am must be recognized. So in this category, the people want to say that he must be recognized. His status must be recognized. His prestige, his honor must be recognized from the other peoples. So they want they want his or her name or prestigious or the honor or the status must be recognized from the other people. So the Maslow indicated that in esteem need, the person's reputation must be recognized, must be identified by the other persons. So after the fulfillment of the esteem need, the people jump to the other need, which is known as self-actualization. Self-actualization needs. So in self-actualization needs, this is the highest level of the need, Maslow's hierarchy. This is the highest level of the need in the Maslow hierarchy, in the 5-stage model of the Maslow's hierarchy of the need, and refer to the realization of a person's potential, self-fulfillment, seeking personal growth and peak experience. So basically, in 1943, Maslow describes this level as the desire to accomplish everything that one can to become the must that one can be. So in this need, self-actualization, a person realizing personal potentials, the person realizing the self-fulfillment, a person seeking personal growth and peak experience, a desire to become everything one is capable of becoming. So in this, the people tries to make the personal potentials and self-fulfillment and their personal experience and growth, and the people want to reach at the top of the achievement, at the top of the peak of the experiences. So this is overall about the Maslow's hierarchy of need, the how the people can be motivated according to the Maslow's hierarchy of the need. So Maslow is a practitioner in the field of the psychology, and he studied on the different type of the people regarding their mental attributions. So he categorized the needs in the 5 stages. One is a physiological need, one is a safety need, one is a social belongingness and love needs, one is a esteem need, and one is a self-actualization need. So how the person can fulfill, how the person can be motivated, and their motivation level, how their motivation level decreasing and need arises. So when there is a need of the physiological need, it means the person motivation is still to accomplish the only physiological need. If the physiological need is fulfilled, it means the personal motivation is fulfilled. Now the persons are the human motivation is decreasing and tries to capture another need, which is a safety need. When safety need is accomplished, a person has protection and fulfillment of the security is accomplished, then a person jump to the other need. When the person motivation is decreasing and jump to the other need for fulfillment of their motivation, and like social need, belongingness, people want to make their good relationship with the others, with the family, with the friends, in the intimacy. So when this need is fulfilled, the person jump to the other need with the esteem need. People want their prestige, want their honor. When this need is fulfilled by the person, so the people jump to the other need, which is self-actualization, that it must be recognized by only oneself, by himself or herself. So there is a personal experiences, there is a peak session of their capabilities and judgment. So this is overall about the Maslow's hierarchy of need. Hope the answer of the question. Thank you very much.